Check this out. This is interesting. It looks like at night the Queen Anne's lace goes face down. I've never noticed that before. Now, it hasn't rained much and it's kind of dry, so I don't know if this is a dry weather issue or if this is just what Queen Anne's lace does at nighttime. So I will check this out again tomorrow. We'll see if these are face up. Interesting. Early the next morning, with no evidence of rain, proves that Queen Anne's lace bows its head at night. Interesting. Are most definitely face up in the morning.